What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, the 3-day weekend is almost over, which means it's almost time to get back in our bag and do what we do, guys. Listen, do me a favor. I got a jam-packed video for you so we can be prepared for market open tomorrow, okay? But do me a favor, please make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, by now, I know many of you are just as excited as I am to get back in the market tomorrow, because that simply means we get a chance to get busy, okay? And I plan on making some money right out the gate. I want to set the tone for the week right out the gate, okay? Check out some stocks that is going to be on my watch list for this week, okay, guys? I'm kicking it off with Google, ticker symbol GOOGL, alphabet class A is what we're looking at. It's currently sitting at $135.38, okay? I'll have this on my watch list as well as my radar for this upcoming week, okay? Either looking for buying opportunities on a pullback of sorts, or continue movement to the upside if this continues to head higher, okay? Ultimately, guys, I have a $150 give or take price target on this, and so I'm expecting this over the next 3 to 6 months to be making its way at some point towards that price target. And then guess what do we do when it gets to that level? You assess what's going on. You assess the market sentiment, you assess the company, you assess the upcoming earnings. You look at all those factors to let you know whether or not you continue to hold and go higher, you continue to take profits, you continue to add to your position. At those times, that's why I say you always have to be actively managing your investments, okay? But check it out. Google, I'll be looking at on the week, they were up nearly 4%. I can see a little more movement this particular week before a pullback comes in, okay? Remember, don't get faked out with this seasonality and the fact that September is typically a down month. That don't mean it has to happen. However, you guys need to react. We're going to continue to ride the trend. The trend is our friend and the trend is up currently, so we're going up. I'm not getting bearish until I see price action tell me to be bearish. As long as my stocks are going higher, I'm going higher and I'm making money with it, okay? Check this out, guys. The next one that's on my radar is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. This one is sitting at a 245 level support, okay? And this one is at a key spot because from here, it could either break down and go down further, okay? And if it goes down further, write this down. I want you guys to know what to look for if you don't see this recapture 250, 252 and stuff like that, okay? Write this down. 237 is a level that this may come down to. Write down 237 to 235. It's always a range when you're dealing with Tesla because it's so volatile, okay? Check this out. On the week, they were up almost 1.5%, but they bounced from here. They bounced from 237, but we could be coming right back to that level that I just called out for you guys, okay? Look at where we're at here. We don't bounce back up. We want to see us go from 245 back to this 247, 250 level, ultimately 252. That will help us get to 255, then maybe 258, okay? And then we can try to see if we can get through 260. However, if that don't happen, you guys need to acknowledge it, respect it, and understand we're going lower. So from 245, you're gonna see 240 on your radar, 237 to 235. That's a $10 window. That's a $10 range that I want you guys to be on the lookout for, okay? Check this one out. ExxonMobil, ticker symbol XOM. It is sitting at 113. I am eyeing this like a hawk. I have a $120 price target on this, okay? Not that it can't go higher, guys, but I like to play and make money in increments. I don't like to be overly greedy. I don't like to have some exuberant far out, oh, this is going to $900. Nope. Even if it go to 900, I'm going to get it in chunks, okay? And right now, 120 is where I have my target set for this one. However, this is the highest we have been in quite some time. Check this out. They were up over 3.5% on the week, and they're sitting towards the highs right now. We haven't seen 113 in a minute. So from here, I'm looking potentially at 114, 115. I want to see how I react, because last time we got to those two levels, we got rejected, and we also got rejected heavy at 117, okay? And then 119 has been a complete rejection level. So again, it remains to be seen, but I'm gonna be watching XRM like a hawk, because they tell you a variety of things, okay? They tell you a few things, all right? And so one would be if energy is back as a potential play, and if big money is moving into that. Number two, you can know if they're moving to the upside, then you know value stocks and plays such as energy and oil may be ready to take leadership roles in this bull market, okay? Again, just some things to be on the lookout for on your journey. Just wanted to share with you guys some stocks that'll be on my watch list. This was certainly one. And then SQQQ, okay? This one I'll be looking to add to if this goes lower. So right now we're currently sitting at $17.78, okay? It was down 10% or around $2. So say we have another down 3 or 4 or 5% type of week. Good for me, because then I can add more at lower prices. Does that make sense? Lower prices would be $17.50, $17, $16.50, things of that nature. Okay, remember to buy low, and then the name of the game is to sell high. All right, and so that's what I'll be looking for. This is a hedge anyway, just because whenever the market gives back some gains or starts to go down, this will be the beneficiary, because this will be what goes up, okay? Matter of fact, check this out. They were up, look at this, 20%. You're not getting that in a bank. You're not getting that anywhere, okay? And so if you were able to catch this low move down at 17.76 the first time, which is where it's at right now, and then you rode it to $21.20, give or take, boom, that's a 20% move. Imagine 20% on 50,000, on 100,000, on $1 million. You guys see what I'm saying with this? I want you to be thinking big, even if you're on the grind and on a come up on your journey, okay? Don't forget and don't sleep on SQQQ as part of your diversified portfolio makeup, okay? Listen, guys, again, we're coming off a 3-day weekend, so we will have a shortened week, okay? So that's number one thing to be mindful of. But number two, understand we're kicking off a brand new month. This is our, not a first full week of the new month, but this is, again, kicking off a brand new month. And so, again, although they say it's going to be down, you wait for price to confirm that before you make any move. Don't just randomly start shorting the market and we're still going up making money and you are getting crushed doing puts. There will be a time, there will be a place for you to ride the market down, or simply just accumulate shares of SQQQ. That way, when the market does go down, that will go up on your behalf, and it's a much safer route to play it. You don't have to deal with theta, you don't have to deal with time decay or anything that can impede your progress, okay? Listen, guys, let's get ready for a phenomenal week. We have been having a phenomenal year so far. Do me a favor, join the Discord. The link for that is in the description below if you guys are not in there already. Also, if you have not joined the money team for this week and you want to make money with myself and the money team, feel free to do so. Link for that is also in the description below. Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.